Most React beginners make their forms completely unresponsive by forgetting one crucial connection. Let's fix that right now. In React, form inputs use the controlled component pattern. This means React controls the input's value through state, not the DOM. You create a two-way binding, state flows down as the value prop, and user changes flow back up through the onChange handler. This gives React complete control over what the user sees and types. Here's how it works in code. First, declare state using the useState hook to store the input value. Then attach an onChange handler to your input element. Inside that handler, access the new value using event.target.value and call your state setter. Finally, bind the value prop to your state variable. Now, React controls the input completely. For forms with multiple inputs, you have two options. You can create separate state variables and handlers for each field, or use a single state object with the name attribute. The name attribute lets you identify which input triggered the change, so one handler can update the right field using computed property names. Remember these 4 essentials. Use onChange to capture input events, store values in state with useState, bind the value prop to that state, and access new values via event.target.value. Multiple inputs just need name attributes and a shared handler. Master controlled components with state, onChange handlers, and event.target.value, and your React forms will always stay in sync. Practice this pattern until it becomes second nature. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.